Hello, my name is Maya Richa, and I am a PhD student in the Electrochemical and Environmental Engineering Laboratory in UCLM. And my project is the effect of pH on electrodialysis for selective separation and purification of carboxylic acids from wastewater. In this presentation, I will give you a small introduction about wastewater and the problematic that we are facing nowadays, and then I will present a solution that we are trying to work on, and finally, I will give you a small brief about the experiment that we are currently doing. For years, the main objective of treating wastewater containing organic matter was to mineralize its organic pollutants. Therefore, organic matter will be degraded into aldehydes and then carboxylic acids to finally be mineralized into CO2 and H2O. And this transformation or process is done by either advanced oxidation processes or electrochemical methods. But unfortunately, these methods are either costly and not very beneficial. That's why we started thinking in another way. Since carboxylic acids are demanding in many industries like food, pharmaceutical, polymer, textiles, cosmetics, cleaning products, and agriculture, why not stop in the middle of this transformation and take advantage of the byproducts? That's why a partial oxidation can be a solution to obtain carboxylic acids with a low number of carbon atoms like oxalico, acetico, and formico. Therefore, this study focuses on the separation and purification of carboxylic acids coming from organic matter degradation. The separation is achieved using electrodialysis with a MMO anode, a stainless steel cathode, two cation exchange membranes, and one anion exchange membrane in the middle. In feed, a solution of carboxylic acid is circulated, and in the concentrate, a solution of the correspondent carboxylic acid is also circulated, but with a concentration 10 times lower than the feed. The most important point here is that if while working with a mixture of different carboxylic acids, we need to adjust the pH higher than the pKa of the acid that we need to ionize and separate from the mixture of acids. Finally, as for the experiments, since we are still in the beginning of our project and investigation, I will give a small brief on what we have achieved till now. In the first experiment, we tried to demonstrate the importance of working with a cation exchange membrane, and as you can see from the results, the configuration with cation exchange membrane allowed to obtain a higher concentration of oxalico acid than without one, and the oxalico acid was purified in the process of separation from acetico acid. In the second experiment, we are trying to see how much time is needed to transport all the oxalico acid from the feed to the concentrate part. And finally, in the third experiment, a tertiary mixture with oxalico acid, acetico acid, and formico acid was carried out. And after 5 hours, the oxalico and acetico were purified and separated from the formico acid. Thank you so much for your attention.